Meanwhile, some fans at Country Stampede are finally drying out while also waiting for Old Dominion to take that stage after storms caused some excitement this morning. But some people are frustrated over the weather, and Fox 43 News reporter Mackenzie Davis tells us how some fans are disagreeing about what the future holds for if they come back.
While it's done raining and the sun came out, some people are still unhappy with today's turnout. A group of K-State students are not happy with this morning's weather and how much damage it brought to their campsite. Some of them were forced to hold their tents during the storm, but that wasn't enough, as some of their items and tents were a total loss. For them, they say it's the icing on the cake.
It's kind of just embarrassing, really, because we've been big fans of the concert for a long time, and it just doesn't seem, I know it was rushed, but it doesn't seem like it was put together. I think we all would have rather they just canceled it.
I hope more people come down, because I've heard a lot of people say they don't like the way this situation is going down here. But, you know, it's their first year down here. They're trying to get stuff figured out. It happens.
It's a learning curve just being at a new location, but as long as everybody's in for a great time and is a team player, like we know everybody can be, it'll still be the Country Stampede everybody knows and loves.
Now, I've seen a lot of other fans out here who are happy the festival is in Topeka, and they say they will be coming back next year. I checked with our meteorologist, and the same storm that hit Topeka this morning is the same storm that hit Manhattan 1 hour earlier. So if the festival was in Manhattan, fans could have had the same experience. In South Topeka, Mackenzie Davis, Fox 43 News.